Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to build a website using Claude AI. Let's get started. First, open Google and search for Claude AI. Then, press enter and click on the Claude AI website from the search results. Once Claude AI opens, enter a detailed prompt describing the website you want to create. Make sure to explain the purpose of the website, the target audience, and the overall design you want. For example, mention whether it's a portfolio website, a small business landing page, or a blog. You should also specify colors, fonts, and any sections you want, such as a hero banner, about section, services grid, testimonials, and a contact area. If you want Claude AI to generate code, be specific. Ask for clean semantic HTML, modern CSS, and optional JavaScript for interactivity. After entering all these details, press enter to send the prompt to Claude AI. Now, wait a few moments while Claude AI generates your website. Once it's finished, you'll be able to see the front-end design and the code it has created based on your requirements. You can review the generated website, and from the instructions and code provided by Claude AI, you can create and customize your website by following its guidance. And that's it. This is how to build a website using Claude AI. If you like the video, like, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more helpful tutorials.